Hello everyone, Maria Mitchell here bringing you another face painting tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to face paint this really cool Buzz Lightyear face paint. I've been getting so many requests for this after the release of the new Buzz Lightyear movie. What better time to learn this Buzz Lightyear face paint? So get your face paints, brushes, and let's get started. To start our Buzz Lightyear, I'm going to start with his head. So I'm going to start right at the top of the child's forehead. We don't want to go too far up, but sort of, just say 3 centimeters down from the hairline. We'll begin to do his face. So I'm just going to do a round circle here. And then I'm going to come down and then another round little circle underneath. And fill it in. I'm just going to do his ears above his cheeks. So I'm just going to do 2 little knobs outward like that. So round, round. So that was using a number 6 round brush. Now with the number 4 round brush, I just want to do the top of his head. And we're just going to do a stroke around like that. And then we're going to do another one down here, coming outward a little, and then following that chin line just like that. Okay, I've just picked up with a number 6 round brush some white, and I'm going to go around his head and start doing the bubble around him. So I'm going to start down here where his shoulders sort of start, and I'm just going to go around his face and down. And once I've outlined that, I'm just going to do the shape of the actual helmet. So I'm going to go around and up, sort of triangular-ish. And there you have his helmet. Okay, and now once we've done that, we're going to do the wings of his aircraft. So there's an aircraft here, and I'm just going to do a wing out. Out. Bit of a funny position here, so yeah, fill that in. Fill the wings in. So then what we're going to do is just do a little loop down and then another loop down to meet here. And from here, I'm going to start the edge of the wings. So I'm going to do just a teardrop down. So just using some lime green, a teardrop down. And now with that same green, I'm going to make the green part. This is Buzz Lightyear's little control panel that he has. So I'm going to fill this area in between the white, and I'm just going to leave a little blank space here because he's got a blue button here, then he's got a green button here which will leave green, and then he's got a red button here. So just going to round that off and we'll fill it in with those colors. So where the red button goes, I'm just going to fill that in, and then I'm going to do the stripes here of the aircraft. So just 1, 2, 3 stripes, or if you've made them longer, you can do 4 stripes, up to you. 2, 3. Okay, so now for the eyes, I'm going to do the white parts of the eyes. So just sort of in from where his ears are, I'm going to do 2 big round dots. So by now the whites are quite dry, so we're going to start doing his face. So I'm going to start with his little chin because he's got a little sort of squiggly round thing on his chin. So just above it, I'm going to do a smiley face, down and up. And for his eyebrows, I'm going to go up and around. And on the other side, do the same. Up and around. And now it's time to outline his eyes. And then in the middle, we're going to do another little round circle, leaving some white in the middle. And I just want to outline everything. So we're going to outline his like Buzz Lightyear's little beanie up the top. To where his ears are, we're going to continue down. So I've outlined his ears, then I've continued downward. So outline his ears, and there's the curb, but then I'm going to bring a line downward to define the ears. His helmet. And around where his purple area is, the base of his helmet. And this is the bottom part of Buzz Lightyear's control panel. Just quickly with our blue loaded, we're going to do the blue button on his Buzz Lightyear's control panel. And now it's time to finish it off. So I'm just going to do the outlines on the wings, starting up the top of where this teardrop is, pressing right down and releasing as we get to the middle. Again, where the side of the wing is, and releasing. We're going to continue it down here, down and around to meet down the bottom. Generally when I outline, I do it in pieces. Instead of outlining it all in one go, I like to do it in pieces because it just makes it easier that way. So here's another piece. I'm going to do a stroke down that way and then do a stroke to the middle of Buzz Lightyear's spacecraft. So then I'm just going to do a stroke near the red part. We're almost done, so we're just going to do the green control panel in the middle by doing a circle and then circling the rest of the control panels. And now what I want to do around his spacecraft is just do some lovely stars. So I'm just going to flick up, out, and then do another one diagonally above it, and maybe a few more down here. They're just flicks pretty much, these stars. We flick up to the side. My brush is in an awkward position there. Just to lighten them up, I'm going to, every second stroke, I'm going to highlight. Up. And again, every second stroke. Let's get rid of some excess white by brushing it onto your hand, and that way we can do some highlights. So highlights along here, along there, along the wing. You don't have to do this step, but if you have enough time, you can. And there you go, Buzz Lightyear face painting for you to practice. Please let me know how you go with this. I would love to see your version of it. So please post your version and tag me on it. I would love to see your version of it as well. If there's anything that you would like to learn face painting related, please comment below and I'll do my best to make a video to help you out. I hope this helped you. Until next time, happy painting.